Everyone, this is Beveesha. I'm gonna do a quick video about HTML and how we can use HTML to create a small web page. Basically, a web page is made of three constituents. The first one is HTML, the second one is CSS, the third one is JavaScript. HTML only gives the structure of the web page. It has nothing to do with styling. CSS is responsible for how beautiful your web page is, what colors you are going to use as background, how images are actually lined up, and all those sort of things. JavaScript is making web page much more dynamic. Like you're clicking on a button, your posts are actually being submitted. Those are being done by JavaScript. So let's go ahead and create small elements of HTML. I have already created a folder for HTML codes that I'm gonna create in this video. I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code, which is my favorite text editor. Uh, First of all, I have to create a new file to create HTML codes. So next, I will copy and paste HTML plates. So the title, I will put the title here within these two tags. The title for this web page is going to be web page example. Yeah. So next I have to save this file to the folder that I have created previously. Yeah, the file extension should be HTML. So I will save it here. Now you can see the file is already saved in this folder. So I will open this file using Firefox. Yeah, then you can see the web page title, which is web page example. So next, I will put some content to this. Okay, let's put some headings to the web page. The headings are added by H tags. So I will put the H1 tag, and now I will put the heading. Let me copy these headings. Um, I will show you all the headings that HTML provides us. It actually H1 through H6. I will change the uh, heading numbers quickly. I will change the closing tag as well. Let's save it. And let's go ahead and reload the web page. Yeah, this is how the different types of headings look like. H1 is the biggest one and the H6 is the smallest one. Okay, that was all about the headings. In HTML, there are a lot of taggings. So let's go ahead and take P tag first. P tag is for paragraphs. Um, let's take the P tag first. So I will copy and paste a paragraph between these two tags. This is the paragraph that I'm going to use in this web page. Um, actually, p tag contains random paragraph to your web page. So I'm gonna save this and let's refresh the web page. Yeah, now you can see the paragraph here. So, how do you add an image to a web page? So, uh, you can add an image using image tag, which is like this. And to add an image, all you have to do is give the source name. When you give the source name, you have to make sure that you have saved the image in the folder that your HTML codes access. So this is my folder that I'm using for these HTML codes. So this is my image that I'm going to use to this web page. Its name is pink. So I'm going to add this image to the web page. So I will add it like this. I have to give the source. It was like pink, and its extension type is PNG. Um, yeah, then you have to close the tag, and let's save this again, and let's refresh the web page. Now you can see the image here. So and also you can add some attributes to the image like heights and widths. So let's add some attributes. Let's put height as 400 pixels and width like 300 pixel. Uh, let's save this and let's refresh this. Yeah, now you can see the attributes are changed. Um, and also you can add an alter tag to this if you don't have image. Let's say like this. You can add the alter tag. Let's say like there was there was supposed to be an image here. Okay, let's save this. Uh, you won't be able to see the alter tag because I have put the image correctly. Let's suppose that I have misspelled the image. And let's save this again and let's refresh. Yeah, now you can see the alter tag here. Um, and also we can have line breaks in HTML. You can do that simply by adding BR tag. Let's add BR tag here after the word deployment. Let's add BR tag here and let's save this and let's refresh this again. Now you can see we have add the BR tag correctly. Now you can see the paragraph is broken into two parts. So Uh, we can simply make letters bold. Suppose that you have to make the Southeast world bold. All you have to do is add bold tag in front of the word. So let's add the bold tag, which is B tag, and you have to add the closing tag to the end of the word. Yeah. So let's save this file and refresh the web page. Yeah, now we can see the southeast word has been bold. Um, and also you can put horizontal lines in the web page. All you have to do is put HR tag, which is for horizontal line. Let's save this and refresh this. Yeah, now you can see a horizontal line in the web page, and also you can put some links to the other web pages. Uh, Suppose that you want uh, a link to see more website, you can put the link to website using anchor tag, which is like this. Yeah, let's save this and refresh this. Now you can see there is a link. Let's click this. Yeah, now you can see this link will take us to the CMO website. You can put links to images as well. Let's remove this text here and let's copy this image from here and put it out here. Okay, now let's save this. Go back to the and let's refresh this. Then, yeah, then when you click this image, you will take to the CMO website. I will do it again. When you click this image, you will take to the CMO website. Yeah, and we can also put lists to web pages. There are two type of lists. The first one is ordered list, and the second one is unordered list. So let's put some ordered list. So I'm gonna do it right here. So let's put a heading and let's start to add some listed ordered lists. Uh, the tag for ordered list is OL, and I will add some list. The list tag is LI. Yeah. So now let's add some unordered list. This is the heading, and let's start to do unordered list. The tag for that is UL, which is for unordered list. Let's add some couple of lists here. Yeah, let's save this and see uh, the difference of the two kind of lists. Yeah, now you can see the list that we have created in that HTML code. Um, uh, there are other types of tags as well, like div tag for division tags. They are used to divide the web page. Let's use these tags and create header and footer. Let's add the footer first. Uh, Usually, footer is at the end of the page. So let's add the division tag first. In between these tag, let's add the footer tag. Let's type this is the footer, and let's add the header within division tag. So let's add the division tag first. Between the division tag, let's add the header tag. Okay, let's save this code and let's refresh this. Yeah, now you can see this is the header and this is the footer. Yeah, I think these are the basic elements in HTML to create a web page. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, HTML only structures the web page. Uh, if you want to create a web page with more attractive elements, you should develop it with CSS and JavaScript. So I think this is the end of my video. Thank you.